Frank, you're always reminding everybody to keep it simple. Why is that so important to you?
I think keeping it simple lets fewer ingredients speak louder. So the more you add things and keep adding things and trying to overcomplicate things, I feel like it never goes that well. So simple, like I guess back to my culinary school days where it was starch, vegetable, protein, 3 ounces, 4 ounces, whatever it was. So for me, I just like the idea of trying to keep it very simple, using just a few ingredients to create multiple flavors. Now that doesn't mean I'm going to just put a beet on the plate, but if I use a beet, perhaps I'm going to roast one, shave one raw, juice one, and have different components of the same ingredient manipulated in a different way. And I think that's where real cooking is evolving, is taking one ingredient and elevating it in many different textures and flavors. And that's what I mean by keeping it simple. That sounds simple. Sometimes it's not, but it's back to sometimes scrambled eggs are just good with butter and salt in them.